Hey there, medical fans. There are a lot of unusual skin conditions and treatments out there. Take a look. But in a minute I'll show you a picture that looks like pieces of hot dogs stuck to somebody's face. So I don't even know what it is. Maybe you can help me figure it out. Stay tuned. Side note, some of what you're about to see may be a trigger for trypophobia. And we'll have a little bonus at the end about that. Let's take a look at some of the treatments and side effects that lasers can have on the skin. These fractional CO2 lasers can resurface the skin, remove unwanted hair, burn off warts, and help reshape scars. So let's take a look at the hot dog face. Whoa. If anybody knows what this is, leave it in the comments. Let's take a look at some procedures that yield similar but different results. Interesting. Well, let's take a look at that hot dog picture one more time. If you know what it is, comment below. Also, do you think that this image is a trigger for trypophobia, which is the proposed fear of clusters of holes or bumps? So as a bonus, let's take a look at some example images. Enjoy. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all the unusual and random medical pictures. Don't forget to subscribe. We have interesting content all the time, and we'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm here to tell you about Rest More. I take it every single night before bed, and it helps me sleep like a baby. I take 2 capsules with a glass of water about 30 minutes before bed, and I am able to sleep all night long. You can pick this up on Amazon. You can get a 30-day or 60-day supply. I personally buy the 60-day because it lasts a little bit longer and it's cheaper. I wake up feeling fully refreshed, and I think you all should try it.
Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.